shit. And that's insane.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
Good grief.
Wow.
I figured that as soon as I saw him when we landed, I was like, something's not right.
Hey, let me talk to your mom real quick.
Please wait seated for a few minutes. Roll at the emergency equipment. Inspect the aft end of the airplane, the right engine.
Okay, thanks. I'll let you know.
Hey.
We'll be exiting the gate roll.
Hey, we have an emergency landing here.
Wow.
What did they say? Something at the end of the plane?
Expecting the aft right engine. I don't know. That was all he said before we taxi in.
Yeah, they're going to put out the flames.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it sounds like. Is they're gonna put out the flames? I can't.
All these emergency vehicles.
Yeah. I had this happen one other time, but it was a landing gear issue, wouldn't lock, and so they sent the trucks out